Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use BeReal on mobile. To use BeReal on mobile, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, you know the drill, you have to install the app. Head over to your respective app store and on the search bar type in BeReal. When you do this, install the app, and once you're done installing it, you have to create an account. So due to some security concern, the interface will come up with a black screen. So what you have to do is, actually in my case, I've already created one, or I've already created an account. So all you have to do is provide in your phone number. Also make sure that you have selected the country's code correctly. And next, as soon as you type in your phone number, a verification code will be sent, and underneath you could also find a timer. Alright, then when you receive a verification code, you could auto verify it, or then you could just go ahead and manually type it. And then on the next step, you have to create a username. When you're done creating a username, provide your first name and a last name. Then you will be prompted with some sort of terms and condition. We have to mark on it, and just follow the on-screen prompt and you'll have successfully created your account. Once you're done creating your account, you could go ahead and create a post, or maybe create your or add your post, photo, biometric, or maybe bio, all that stuff. And this is basically how you could use BeReal on mobile. And that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.